Guys, we're back. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. You see the shit we're dropping. It's hot. All you gotta do is click the like button. Click the subscribe button. We need it. I know you see everybody else saying like, subscribe, this, that. Just do it, please. It's helpful. 2022 Tahoe in for a paint correction, ceramic coating. It's very dirty. Just came off the dealer. Just came off the lot. Covered in salt here in New York. It's gross. We're middle February, so we're gonna clean it up, get this thing perfect. So let's rock and roll.
Couldn't make this shit up, you know? Shit ain't for everybody. Sit back though, enjoy the vibe, you know? Yeah. I wake up and I pray, then roll another J. Close my eyes and I meditate, trying to find a way. Lord, open up my third eye, take the 9 away. By the way, I'm in pain, I just let it hide away. Smoking weed is the medicine without the side effects. Reflect on high school, me and Long playing DOS effects. Real nigga to the day I die, oh I'm out of breath. I got fresh and soul powder, so I guess I'm powder fresh. Wanna play the game of death, homie, that's without a ref, without the rules. All I know is niggas making power moves. If you see me with a posse, then I'm making shower moves. Time is money, little nigga, you know what the hour do. And I'm thinking to myself, then I need a Mecca trip. Trying to make another decimal, but make it effortless. Homie can't see the vision, fuck it, he's a pessimist. But I'm an optimist, living on some proper shit. Ghosts, from nightmares to dreams, poverty to wealth, from insanity to trying to find harmony for self, from vanity, trying to stay humble on the delf. You don't understand me, you don't understand yourself. From nightmares to dreams, poverty to wealth, from insanity, trying to find harmony for self, from the vanity, trying to stay humble on the delf. You don't understand me, you don't understand yourself. You don't understand me, that is cool, I can overstand. Stand over niggas with the hammer, then you know the plan. Rather read a book, smoke a J, play a slower jam. Probably playing Marvin on some inner city blues shit. Niggas said they run the city, never seen them do shit. I could get him shot when I'm out in St. Lucia. Rather hug the nigga and just give him juices. Ask my nigga Lee, tell you where the real juice is.
You ain't gotta like me, this is not the like me show. Confront me then, nigga take a shot or just let it go. I could get a nigga wet while I'm out in Monaco, but I'd rather get the bread, conquer the impossible. Had them drugs look illegal like the pharmacy. Made it to its destination in peace and harmony. You was up, now we up, just respect the irony. I'm the boss, you the working nigga, who can fire me? I am me, HAVO nigga, can't forget to see what it do. Pay the way, niggas idolizing me. Hammer in his face, where your heart, I'm just trying to see. LOX, MOB, nigga wildin' in these streets.
From nightmares to dreams, poverty to wealth, from insanity to trying to find harmony for self, from vanity, trying to stay humble on the delf. You don't understand me, you don't understand yourself. From nightmares to dreams, poverty to wealth, from insanity, trying to find harmony for self, from the vanity, trying to stay humble on the delf. You don't understand me, you don't understand yourself. Sometimes I see things, I guess cause I'm a ghost, I see ghostly things. Thought I saw something that wasn't there, but it was there. As far as I can see though, I see shadows. And I'm looking real far, even when I'm asleep. Ain't that something? Something in the shadows. Maybe it's the pharaohs coming to spread the light, cause the vision's so narrow. Maybe it's the killers in the cut with the barrels. Get high but can't fly without the eye of the sparrow. Fatigued and fatigue, ready for battle. My word could move herd like a cattle. Try to stay hard like fragile, meaning you could lose at any moment. My cranium is like Damien's, no omen. I don't bear the mark of the beast, just the heart of the beast. Growling foam when it's dark on the streets. Just the ice cold nigga that be sparking the heat. Trying to make it through the struggle, just to say it the least. If they come and tell them come now, sunset, sundown. I don't put my gun down and I ain't trying to run clown. I keep something in the barrels, fully loaded up knowing there's something in the shadows. Point blank period, you get high and hallucinate. Stress is building up. I smell murder every time that the wind blows. shadows. Maybe it's the reaper, maybe it's the devil trying to put me in a sleeper. Maybe it's God trying to tell me that I'm deeper. I know soon, have faith in the goon. I broke day, mad years trying to race with the moon. If the sun give me energy, why I pull my gun on my enemies and wait for nightfall to drink Hennessy? Cups of Cavassier, time's the same on the swatch. Hard Cartier unless you set your watch different. We got eyes but a watch different. Be on the block different, be on the low and the spot different. I got bars but the Glock kicking. I'm in tune with the moon and the wolves that howl at it. You can play the game if you foul at it. Tell them pigs it's a fair game. I get high and kick my night ears off from first class of the airplane.
Point blank period, get high and hallucinate. The stress is building up.
I smell murder every time that the wind blows.
I swear to God, I feel like death is fucking calling.
I won't rest till the day I see the angel of death and tell him wish me the best. If I don't get it this life, man, get it the next. Never settle for less. Street niggas say I did it the best, which is true though. Coke since the days of Menudo, higher than Pluto. Something in the shadows, but I ain't got a clue though. I got no clue. I'm getting drunk off the booze. I'm getting high, just recording with pools. Have dreams about the Lord and his crew, or the devil and his boys. Voices in my head, but I can never make the noise stop. They always singing on the carol. Bars they can see, they know it's something in the shadows.
Point blank period, get high and hallucinate. The stress is building up.
I smell murder every time that the wind blows.
I swear to God, I feel like death is fucking